Hello, and welcome to the very first episode of the Easy Crosshair plugin tutorial series. With Easy Crosshair, you can design, animate, and script crosshairs effortlessly for the first-person shooters, third-person shooters, or any kind of action-focused experiences. It's intuitive, and it's built for creators who cares about every pixels. Before we begin, let's make sure everything is ready. Let's go to Edit, Plugins, and Project. And we can see Easy Crosshair System plugin here. Be sure it's enabled. If it's not, just click here to enable it. Okay, now let's open the content browser to see what's available. You won't see any blueprint widgets, and that's by design. Easy Crosshair handles everything internally. You don't need to manage Crosshair's widgets manually. Just focus on creating. Inside, you will find more than 500 unique textures. Some of them are kill indicators, some of them are hit markers, crosshairs, and to create a new crosshair, just right-click on Content Browser and go to this interface, and just select the Easy Crosshair assets. These assets are designed for great custom crosshairs. When you double-click, you will end up with the Crosshair Editor. This editor will help you and preview what you did. Before start, I want to change as the backgrounds with something better. We can access some backgrounds at the background folder. I will use that one. Fine. Now, let's dive into Layer System. Actually, Layer System is a way to design your crosshairs and define parts of it. Okay, let's go to New Layer. I will name first layer as a right layer, right part opening. And when I expand that, I will see Layer Texture, Layer Color, Transform Rotation Scale properties, and I will tweak them individually. Okay. For a start, I want to make a shotgun texture crosshair, so let's go to Crosshairs, Parts, and I think I'm going to use that one. Here, my crosshair part appears, so I will make it move a little bit right. Now, let's create one more layer for left part, and I will use the same part, and I will move it to a little bit left. And then, I will rotate it to 180 degrees. We are having something. Now, let's create one more layer for, inner parts. Good. For inner parts, I'm going to use maybe that one. Very good. But it scales up a little bit big, so let's make it more smaller. Let's tweak its scale. Yeah, much better. At global scale property there, I can just tweak all scale to my crosshair. So let's make it a little bit smaller, maybe 0.2. Yeah, that's better. Now let's save our crosshair and let's head to integration part. For anywhere in your code, you can access ECS crosshair subsystem. The subsystem helps you to communicate with the system, crosshair system. So let's call the setup crosshair method here. Let's find, and let's select the asset we did. Now, when we press play, yes, we can see our texture. For faster workflow, you can just attach your asset here. So maybe we can increase scale up a little bit, and maybe we can change the color of it, red maybe. Let's save and play. Yes, it works well. Thank you for watching our first episode, and next episode we are going to focus on the animations and behaviors. Thank you for watching.